Hi, I'm Matt Shea, your 4th District State Representative. Thank you for tuning in for this week's update on the 2009 session of the legislature. Well over 150 people showed up for the hearing in the House Judiciary Committee on House Bill 1727, dubbed by its supporters as the Everything But Marriage Bill. It's important to point out that what this bill would do is put same-sex domestic partners on the exact same legal footing as traditional married couples. The crowd in the hearing room was so large that 2 overflow rooms were opened to accommodate everyone. Of those present, opponents of the bill outnumbered supporters by a margin of 10-1. Several times we were told that this 110-page bill did not have anything to do with marriage, and yet Section 23 of the bill defines the word married to include domestic partners. It doesn't get much clearer than that. Then there's the overwhelming cost to you, the taxpayer, of unfunded and increased benefits as a result of this proposal. In fact, this bill has a projected price tag of $337,000. Not very smart at a time when our economic picture looks very bleak. This measure also threatens religious liberty and freedom of conscience. In places like Canada, where similar legislation was introduced, it was only a matter of months. That's right, months before hate speech legislation became law. To underscore this point, the president-elect of the Washington State Bar Association, an association where membership is mandatory for all lawyers in the state, testified, and I quote, "The legal profession supports this bill." Really? As an attorney, I'm a member of the association, and I can say unequivocally that I do not support the association's position on this issue. Many others in the legal profession have also opposed this bill publicly. That statement from the association's president-elect illustrates the concern that many people have expressed that religious liberty and freedom of conscience are endangered by legislation like House Bill 1727. This bill has nothing to do with equality and everything to do with undermining the very foundations of our society, and the citizens know it. That's why I have proposed a constitutional amendment that would define marriage as the union of one man and one woman. That would settle this issue once and for all. Enough is enough. 30 states have amended their constitutions to clearly define marriage. Generally, these amendments have passed with overwhelming support. Faced with a growing budget crisis, a struggling economy, and other critical public policy issues, the legislature has more important things to concern itself with than broadening the rights of domestic partners. This is Representative Matt Shea. Thank you for watching.